Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the BBQ Box. This is a monthly subscription curated by Myron Mixon, who is a Pit Master. These boxes are just $24.99, and you get a whole bunch of products. So first off, you get one of Myron's recipes, and then all the items in the box kind of work around that to incorporate into the recipe. So you'll receive a sauce or a marinade, then you'll receive a rub or a spice blend, and you'll also receive some wood chips, and you'll receive an edible like beef jerky that goes along with it. And every month so far, the meat in the jerky matches the meat in the recipe, which I think is really cute. So those sauces and marinades help you to complete the recipe, and it all comes together in this really nice, cool box. These are really cool boxes. You do choose your favorite kind of like barbecue style. When you sign up, you also choose your favorite kinds of meats. So that helps them to tailor the boxes to you. So this is the December box. I'm going to show you right on the top. This is a perfect gift, by the way, guys. It's an amazing, amazing gift. My husband loves this box. So first we have a recipe. So this is December 2017 venison stuffed backstrap. So if you live like near where we live, Pennsylvania, we have deer. It's deer season. So venison, you can come by it very easily. I don't know if you can get it in other places where people don't hunt for deer. Not sure. But anyway, I get the little reference there with the venison. So, are we having deer jerky? Oh, it's buffalo jerky. Ooh, this looks really dark, like the really tough. That's my favorite. So this is from Mountain America Jerky. I believe we've received stuff from them before. Their jerky is bomb. It's delicious. All right. So this month, ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here this month. All right, so we have Oak Ridge Barbecue Venison and Wild Game Rub. Award-winning, finest quality. Raw cane sugar, sea salt, chilies, onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, ground shallots, lemongrass, and other spices. That sounds amazing. And then we have Game Changer Brine and Injection. Oh, wow. Gold edition. This is serious barbecue. Look at the bag. Like, how cool is that? I've never seen anything like that. This is sea salt, raw cane sugar, garlic, black pepper, onion, spices, chilies, blackstrap molasses, and maltodextrin. So that is that. My husband's going to be so pumped. He couldn't be in this. I'm sorry. My eye is itchy and I need to scratch it. He couldn't be in this video. He's working. So finally we have these guys. I guess these are jumper cables. No, just kidding. I have to look at the card because I bet it's on here. So I'm guessing you maybe wrap these, or they're to pick up your... I'm going to have to do some research. I'm sorry. I know eventually one of you guys will comment, like one of you like guys that's really into like smoking meat will know exactly what this is for. Maybe, and my husband probably will too. But they're like antennas. Isn't that crazy? Is it for like a fire to roast it on like a spit or something? I don't know. I'm going to have to find out, guys. All right. And then finally, we have our Vaughn. Are these from Vaughn? Vaughn Wood products. We actually have different. It's been apple almost every month that I've received this, but now it's pecan chips, which I don't think we've ever used these, my husband and I, so I'm so excited. So, for $25, you get your 8 ounces of wood chips, which my husband has told me is the perfect amount for smoking. These 4 tools. It's not on here what they are. Not sure. Doesn't say. Don't know. Don't know. Wish I did. So those 4 tools are jerky, this venison rub, which is very interesting. I cannot wait to use this. And then a Game Changer Brine Injection, $25. Amazing. If you have a guy in your life that you need to get a gift for, perfect. Especially if he likes to cook outside, cook his own meat, be a manly man. This is it. This is the box. It's the best. So I will link down below to my full blog review. I'll also link to BBQ Box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.